This was a LoFi music video that I had created using only AI tools. I will show you a complete step-by-step tutorial, from creating a channel name to creating its logo and creating this video. I'll also show you how to use an AI tool to create LoFi songs. As a result, watch the entire video without skipping a single step. Welcome to AI Upskill. First, let's look at what we're creating today. Let me first explain how we plan to create these LoFi videos. First, we'll use ChatGPT to generate our channel name. Then we'll use an AI tool to build our channel logo. We'll use the same AI tool to create these background illustrations. Then we'll use an AI tool to create music for our videos. The song will then be used by a tool to generate LoFi music. Finally, we'll use an editor to add all of the materials. I hope you've understood the entire process. I know the steps are quite long, but it's a great niche to start as you can earn dollars, so let's get into the video. First, we will create a name for our channel. To create that, we'll use ChatGPT. I've created a prompt document that you can use to generate names. The link of this prompt document will be in the description. Let's copy and paste the prompt from my prompt document into ChatGPT. You can make changes to the prompt as per your needs. I'm instructing ChatGPT to act like a YouTube analyst, providing details of my channel, the names of competitors' channels. And finally, given the task to suggest 15 names for the channel. As you can see, ChatGPT suggests 15 channel names. You can select the one you like. Alright, now let's create a logo for our channel. If you're familiar with generative AI, you've probably heard of Leonardo AI. In my opinion, it's the best image generation tool available right now. Once you are in Leonardo AI dashboard, click on image generation. As you can see, before making this video, I have tried generating a couple of images by my own. Copy and paste positive prompt from my prompt document into this box. You can make changes to the prompt as per your needs. Click on preset and choose concept art. Next, choose preset style and choose the stylized illustration preset. Also, make sure the aspect ratio is 1:1. Scroll down, click on advanced settings and select the Leonardo Anime XL model and turn on the negative prompt button. Copy and paste the negative prompt from the prompt document into this box. Finally, click the generate button. Let's fast forward this process. And as you can see, our channel logo is ready. You can select the one you like. Alright, now let us create this background image for our videos. We will once again use the Leonardo AI tool. So copy and paste the positive and negative prompts from my prompt document into this box. Make sure to modify the prompt slightly. For example, you can modify either the background or the character's outfit. I'm going to change the gender from boy to girl. This allows us to create unique illustrations. We will keep all the settings same from our previous logo generation. Except for the aspect ratio, we'll change it to 16:9. Finally, click the generate button. Let's fast forward this process, and as you can see, the background image is ready. You can download the one you like. I will go with this one. Now, let's enhance the image quality. Go to the Leonardo AI dashboard and select Upscaler. Upload the recent generated image in the box above. Make sure to choose 2D art illustration as your upscaler style. Finally, click the upscale button and wait for the generation. As you can see, our background image is perfect and has been upscaled. Click the above download button to download it. Now we will generate music using an AI tool, but before that, I just noticed 95% of you guys haven't subscribed my channel, so please give this video a like and subscribe for more such videos. So we'll use Udio AI to create music for our videos. Sign up with your Google account. Once you're on this dashboard, click the create button. This is where we can create our song by entering prompts in the box above and adjusting the settings given below. So before putting a prompt, make sure you enable manual mode. As you can see, my prompt document has various prompts that you can use. I will copy and paste the prompt into this box. Now, if you had noticed, these LoFi videos are mainly long and consist of multiple music tracks in one video. So we'll also make a big video containing multiple tracks. Therefore, choose Udio 130 as your model. In the lyrics tab, select instrumental. Finally, click on the create button. Udio creates 2 generations at once. So let's speed up this process, and as you can see, we have 2 songs ready. You can listen to them by clicking here. To download them, simply click the 3 dots and select download. Choose your file type, I'll go with audio, and then hit download. Now, since our aim is to create long videos, I'll create multiple tracks. So just copy and paste the prompt from the prompt document into Udio AI. Repeat the process until you have approximately 10 to 15 songs. Arrange your tracks in a folder, as I did. Now we'll convert our tracks into LoFi music, so head over to the Audio Alter website. The link to this website is provided in the description. Upload your generated music track in this box. Click the submit button. Wait for the audio to be processed. Once finished, simply click the download button. Repeat this process with each of your music tracks. Lastly, organize your LoFi songs in a folder, as I did. Now, before heading to the editing step, let me be transparent with you guys. Udio AI holds the ownership of the music you have created. Although we had modified it to a lo-fi track, I would recommend that you specify that the song was generated using Udio in both the video title and the description. Purchasing a subscription plan is a safer option to eliminate risk. This immediately grants you commercial rights. We finally have both the background image and the lo-fi music tracks. We only need to do some basic editing, so open CapCut and import your image and lo-fi folder. First, add all of your lo-fi music to the timeline. Select all audio files and reduce the voice to -5. Add a 2-second fade in and fade out. Add the background image and extend it till the end. Add a 5-second fade and animation to your image. Now let us add some effects to our video. From the star effect, I'll add constellation. We'll set the values to 65 and 10. Next, from the nature effect, I'll add firefly. We'll set the values to 65 and 10. We will copy and paste the previous constellation effect after our firefly effect. I would recommend that you include multiple effects to create a smooth video. However, you can add any effects you like. We will duplicate our image. Remove animation from it. Cut the video in half and add an extra effect named Cherry Blossom to it. Change the speed value to 1, and we'll mask off the window to get the effect outside the window. Finally, duplicate all of those effects till the end. Select all files except the lo-fi tracks and make a compound clip. Simply export the video by clicking here. Here's a small preview of the final video. So let's discuss how to create these animations and videos. I spent quite a while trying out different AI tools to animate these images. I tried Leonardo Generate Motion, but it was a 50-50 tool, as it only creates zoom-in motions. Another tool that caught my attention and has recently gained popularity is Runway Gen 3, but the results were not quite useful for my lo-fi videos. The last option I tried was Pika Labs. Here's a comparison of the 3 tools I tried, and I decided to go with this tool as it provides smooth hair motion, which will look great in our lo-fi music videos. You can try a tool that meets your needs. Here is a second comparison with the background image that I had created. See how we used AI tools to create a lo-fi video. It's a new and great niche to start, and you can make easy money doing it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. If you loved this video, please give it a like and subscribe to AI Upskill channel for more such AI-related content in the upcoming days. I will see you in the next video.